doll.
So for this shoot, I wanted to use a backdrop outside, especially backgrounds by David Mayhew. He is one of my favorite artists to make backdrops. And to light this, all I did was use one AD200 behind the drop high with a Magmod sphere on it. And I just wanted that beautiful sunlight to kind of backlight the scene and her hair, and I really loved how it turned out. Now I wanted to use a complementary blue to match the backdrop so that it would be very color cohesive and pretty and light and airy, and I think that we succeeded in that. Once again, I'm giving a lot of advice and posing direction. I'm super directional when I pose anybody, regardless of their experience in front of the camera or not.
So this arm looks awkward.
It is awkward.
Yeah. So bring it back.
Bring it back in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just bring the arm in.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look forward. And bring your knees together. Yes, and then just bring one up and one down. There we go. Bring this foot this way a bit.
This one?
Yes, that's perfect. Now look straight ahead. And I want this arm bent, the one that's closest to me. Yeah, just like that. And then look straight ahead and your chin up. That's beautiful. Amazing, stay there. Now just go up on both your toes, like so, and then kind of lean forward, put an elbow on your knee. There you go. There you go. I don't want you looking cute though. Okay. I want you looking seductive and sensual and powerful. So, chin, shoulder. Yep, but don't cover up your face. So just a little tiny space between the two. Bring it forward just a little bit more. Chin down just a bit more. Chin up and then over a bit and down. There we go. And now let your eyes fall backwards.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, eyes at me. Beautiful. Look straight ahead. Just switch your arms a bit so we get different. Yeah, just play around. That's really pretty. Chin up a bit. Yes, that's beautiful. Pull that one arm in that's out on your knee. Just bring it in and cross your hands on your lap. Yeah, just like that, and work the shoulder, chin.
Out.
Love that. Yeah, and then tilt a little bit. What? Don't be afraid to do things like that with your hands. You know what I mean? Work that shoulder, go like this, pretend like you're touching something. It's all good.
It works, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
And when you do that, don't forget to kind of tilt the head a little bit.
To make it look like you're really looking?
Yes. Want me to show you? Let's do this.
Oh my god! That's so good.
Looks so pretty.
So pretty.
Magical.
I know. Yeah, exactly that. As soon as I said that I was coming to like do photos, I'm like, I'm so excited for the magic that she brings because every single time it's like right out of a fairy tale. Like I've been waiting for this.
Like that. Bring it in and then tilt your head this way.
Do you want it looking out this way?
Yeah, I want you looking at me, but bringing the rose kind of close. And breathe that in your mouth.
So for this next look, I really wanted to just emphasize the creamy kind of beige and lighter neutral tones and do another look. I changed her hair a little bit and I think these ones turned out pretty nice too. Same exact lighting setup. I didn't change the light for this at all. I really loved how the sun spackles were shining through the backdrop. And for this look, I did shoot these images with both my Sigma 105 as well as my Canon 85 1.2 because, as you all know, even though those images are not super sharp, I do love the dreamy, creamy quality of them. And I have to say that shooting with the 85 1.2 really allows your skin retouching to be super fast because it's already blurred. And here are a few of the shots straight out of the camera in Lightroom. I just wanted to show you what they look like without any editing whatsoever. And I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time, guys.